This year, 2025, was the first year that we launched our Professional Pathways program, PPP for short. What we did was we partnered with the university to find promising, talented underclassmen and put them through a 12-week program where we help them with their soft skills, we help them write resumes, do mock interviews, and any sorts of training that we thought they would need to help them on a professional level, and then try to pair them with RTPark clients for internships.
This program gives them the skills needed, including the soft skills, as well as the confidence. So if we can really increase workforce development in partnership with the Research and Technology Park, we're able to effectively prepare our students, our graduates, to enter the workforce on a strong footing.
They're working with a set of professionals who have a strong, solid network to help them to continue to bridge in terms of other opportunities by being able to have a wider range of resources. So I think that the alignment that comes through RTPark with our current students sets this program apart from others.
I've been looking for a program like this. I've been looking for a program that gives you opportunities like this, where you have someone who seems genuinely invested in your personal and professional development, where they're willing to take the time like this to personally teach you. It came at a time where I was looking for it. I'm glad I was looking for it. I'm glad I took the opportunity.
So I was happy to hear that the program was going to be supported by the RTPark, and that they were going to be seeking out students, let's say, who actually wanted internships and sort of pre-vet those potential interns, for different skill sets and things, and then match them with companies. I thought that was a much better way to approach it. I think the interns have been incredibly helpful for us. So, they are paid positions, so we're paying them just like part-time employees. And, they are contributing to the organization and actually providing value.
We have a lot of businesses that have a lot of interest in hiring University of Virgin Islands students, or just Virgin Islanders in general, for jobs, for internships. So for this go around, we're working with about 20 students, 10 in St. Croix, 10 in St. Thomas, and we're putting together a program, a pilot program, that's really targeting these soft skills and professional skills that we want students to have in the new workplace.
Part of what we do at the UVI Research and Technology Park is business attraction. And so we're out there looking for tech and knowledge-based companies that we want to bring to the territory to help diversify the economy. One of the first questions that those companies ask during the attraction process is, what's the local workforce like, right? And so we are able to talk a lot about UVI, all the different programs they have to offer, all the different degrees that you can receive as an undergrad at UVI. But one of the things that we want to do is also help prepare that workforce for these jobs that are coming to the territory.
It's been a pleasure and a joy working with the students. They've been phenomenal. They've been very receptive to the knowledge. I've had great feedback, and it's just been a joy to be part of this. And I started hearing feedback right away that they're learning things that they didn't really know enough about before. Like, no one ever really talked to me about this, so that really incentivized me and made me realize that this is such a necessary program.
An opportunity like this here has really made me aware of the opportunities available in the Virgin Islands for students and for professionals. I'm really excited to look into internships here as well. I think that, if anything, the programs really encouraged me to make the most of the work environment in the Virgin Islands.